What's up, guys? We're about to make a classic Manhattan, and this is gonna use bourbon. I'm gonna put 3 ounces in there. We're also gonna use some sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce, some bitters, about 2 to 3 dashes, and yeah, it's gonna be a great classic drink, and it's something you should know how to make if you like drinking bourbon. And yeah, so we're putting everything in my mixing tin. And just like my old fashioned, I like using the black cherry juice, the Luxardo cherry juices. Just kicks it up a notch. And we're gonna garnish our drink with the cherry that we're gonna place in there. And you're gonna wanna stir this drink if you have time and if you care about the quality of it. It takes a while, and I don't have the best ice to do it. I'm using my block ice, but you know, you don't want to bruise the liquor on this. If it's a drink with no actual like sugar or juice or stuff like that, you don't want to shake it. You don't want to bruise the liquor. This is all liquor in here. I mean, with the exception of a little cherry juice, it should be all liquor. So you want to take your time stirring it. Stirred, not shaken, is the way to go. And there you have it. That's a classic Manhattan. I kicked it up an extra notch with the extra cherry juice, just like I do with my old fashioned. I promise you make this for someone, they're not going to complain if they like Manhattans. Classic drink, can't go wrong with it. Tastes more than half decent.